Ready po, cut lang.
Ay! Sino ba nagsabi pag ganito?
Very sweet girl kayong dalawa dyan. Sweet, ay! Dante! Dante!
I miss you so much. I wish you were here. We would have slayed it together. I love you so much, guys. That is one for you.